Alright guys, this is Undead Threat with another video, but here's the challenge. My friend here, well, aka Fucker Face.
Alright guys, shut the hell up, don't listen to him. It's Foxy Animations.
And
soon I won't be having that channel. I might not.
And he's gonna be doing a challenge called the VR bike ride.
It sucks, because we got we were doing it earlier, but we weren't recording. And well, he decided to get the inside of the VR wet. By the way, guys, if you want to do this, don't do it with electronic VRs. Do it with the ones
or at night. It's harder.
Night. Yeah, it's kind of
but
nighttime.
As you can tell, it's technically night.
Yeah, but do it without the electronic ones, the ones that you have to put in your phone, and then you see like all the things.
Yeah,
you know?
the plastic and glass ones, guys.
Yeah.
So his challenge, he has to put the VR set on
Like this.
But it's super blurry through it.
It is. You guys want to see? Hold on. Let's see if it will work.
I probably not gonna effing work.
But hold on. Let's find out.
Yeah, I can't see shit.
Hold on. Let's check over here.
Yeah, you know what? Who the hell cares? Okay.
Okay.
So, he's gonna be riding a bike as he's doing it through, my bike, through sprinklers. And if he can succeed without falling, I might give him a penny. That's probably the.
I slid, guys.
Yeah, he wiped out earlier.
Yeah,
there was
a bunch of
old
so
people.
blurry.
Yeah.
I was like this, and I was like, I went down a hill, and then all of a sudden, the bike goes like.
Yeah, and then there was a bunch of old ladies watching, and then you just stuck your arms up like, "Sir, I'm fine."
Yeah, I'm like, I'm fine, and the old ladies were like, "Man down." I'm like, what the hell?
Seriously, like, what the fuck is wrong with people these days? Well,
all right,
let's start.
Hold on, we got to get near the water before I put these dogs. Hold on, guys.
No, just put them on now.
If you want to see me do this very blurriness, let's do this. Hold on, let's see if you can get likes for this video.
Okay.
Hit the like button. 3, 2, 1. Hit the like button. Please subscribe. And, well, don't subscribe to my channel because, well...
Good. This channel's dead.
No, because my channel, I only made one cringy video. Was me and him making our video. So, it was me reacting to mine and his video that we made for this channel, I'm pretty sure, right?
Yes.
And, well, very cringy.
Yours.
And, well, let's get to work.
And just to warn you guys, I'm a giraffe.
I can't. No. He's not a giraffe. My friend's a giraffe.
I'm a cat.
Yeah, he's a cat.
No, I'm not.
I'm a fox.
I'm a velociraptor. Just call him Foxy. I'm Velocity.
Yeah, you can call me Foxy. You can call him Velocity. You know, if you want to talk to us, go to my channel.
Or mine.
Like, comment on my video. And I'll probably check it out. Comment back. And yeah, by the way, my emblem is really cute Foxy eating
Cheerios.
Lucky Charms.
Oh.
You fool.
I thought they were fucking farms. For a second, I thought they were
let's go.
farms.
Oh my god, it's so hard.
Okay, let's see this ace-hole.
Guys, I'm not pretending. This is very blurry. So.
I won't laugh if he wipes out.
Don't laugh. So hard.
I hope he doesn't mind, though. It'll be good luck.
All the way over there. I thought it was like coming this way and stuff. I thought it was going through the grass, so I got scared. Sorry.
I'm gonna kick you.
Alright, stop.
Don't slip or you fail. And then it'll be my turn.
Alright, gotta make it. Go.
Oh crap, it's in the water though.
Should I go through there and record me that way?
Yeah. I'll be back this way.
Wet freshness. Ricky?
Lars?
Lassie?
Sharp.
Oh, you're right there, okay. By the way, he looks like a blob.
Sharp. That's so mean.
Hey, I look like
Sorry if you guys can't see crap. That is his fault.
It's not my fault, I'm just going too fast for you. I'm getting so
And I got wet. I'm getting wet.
Yeah, it's bouncing off me. Alright, I can't see crap.
Neither can I. It's like almost pitch black out here. All we hope is camera light.
Actually, put on the camera. Or the light.
I don't have light on this. I'm getting wet. Yeah, it's like in the middle of night during April, I think. I don't know date. I'm an idiot. Oh god, water. I think it could be April. Get back here.
Guys, I made it.
Yeah, he succeeded. No, he did.
Soaked. I'm not tall. Your turn, Velocity.
I will. 1 second. Just let me do one thing. You did good, brosive.
Alright, here, I'll get lined up.
Take the effing camera now.
Hold on. Alright, take the VR. Alright, ready, guys? It's very blurry. I'm ready. Go. Get wet. Oh, guys, I'm sorry if you guys can't really see it. Because it's like really dark where we are. I feel like hey, shut up. Oh no, here comes the giant sprinkler. What? Oh. Like I said. What screen on this thing is just... oh, what the heck? What? Is that you, bright light, dude? No. Hi, bright light. It's a car. It's a car heading for you. Ah. No, it's in the road. It's in the road. It's in the road. I can't see you. I can't see you. Guys, I'm sorry you can't see him. He doesn't have a flashlight. Wait. Yeah, guys, he doesn't have a flashlight. Sorry that you gotta see my face. My ugly face. Oh, guys, you can finally start to see him. Next time we should do this while one of us being in the road. No. It's Caleb Caleb starting his car. Wrong side! He's not over yet.
Did I make it?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Alright, Velocity. The recorder has to be in the road.
I'm soaked.
Guys, you know how I feel. Alright, go on the road.
I'm in the road.
There might be a little bit of...
If I get hit by a car, then this is your guys' fault.
It's my fault.
No, it'll be these guys.
Oh, yeah.
Burglar! Hey, Bark! Hurry up!
No. Run!
Hey! I can see him just a teeny tiny bit.
Pants.
Just to warn you guys, if you want to give this guy any help on getting a girlfriend, don't. He's gonna fail.
No, well, I need a girlfriend real bad, actually.
Oh crap! I already have one. Oh crap! I'm getting soaked, so I must get the pony camera away.
I'm so lonely. I'm so lonely.
Don't worry, guys. He can only dream of getting a girlfriend. He can only dream.
What?
You can only dream of getting a girlfriend.
That likes me.
Oh. Oh yeah. I know. I knew so.
Am I making it?
In a little bit, let's go to the road, okay?
Oh, I see.
Let's go to the road in a little bit, okay? Oh god. It's starting to snow!
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
What? What? Seriously, I hate snow.
Oh crap, my screen is stoked.
So you're
snowing. I'm getting wet. The sprinklers. Take out my screen.
Holy crap, guys. Too bad you guys couldn't see that. The screen that we're recording with is soaked. Oh,
okay, to the road. Can you get over that bump?
Obviously, yeah.
Trust me, dude, he's a loser. Really? Choose to ditch me?
I can't see.
I have a katana. I will use my katana on you.
I can't see.
I will use my katana.
I couldn't see, guys.
Well, see you later, guys.
Hold on, no. He
Fuck
needs
you.
to go over that.
No, I'm not gonna.
Why?
Next video will be continuation of it.
Oh yeah, try to get 1 million likes.
Yay!
So he would do this
Again.
tomorrow.
No, 1,000. At least 1,000. No,
1,000, yeah.
50. I'm a newbie.
50 likes. Yeah, you are a newbie. Well, I still haven't subscribed to your channel yet. You gotta subscribe to mine, even though mine I don't upload.
Yeah,
but I still want to make the monies.
So, guys.
I need help.
Yeah, I'm fat. Just kidding, JK.
I'm fat.
Good boy. You eat so much bagels and French fries.
I don't eat bagels. I don't like bagels. They're nasty.
Well, so see you later, guys. This will be the end of this video.
Hold on. If you really want to subscribe to my channel, if you like cringy shit.
Cringy. You should see my effing red versus blue video.
That's the one that I reacted to. If you want to watch my cringiness reacting to mine and his cringiness.
There's a star. Hi, star. I'm gonna. Was that just lightning a second ago?
Oh yeah, guys.
Oh my god, I think it's just lightning.
Oh yeah, guys. If you really want to know what stars really are,
they're big pieces of fucking gas.
Want to know what they really are?
What?
Suns of different galaxies.
I know that. I'm not that stupid. I'm like a guy. I'm like the guy on the bike with the VR glasses. I'm not that dumb. I'm walking away. Well, see you guys. This is the end of this video.
He's in 5th grade. I'm 6th.
Who cares? I'm older.
No, you ain't.
I'm like almost a month younger. Like 4 weeks younger. I'm pretty sure. 5 to 6 weeks younger.
My birthday's in this month. I'm pretty sure. Wait, isn't it May?
You turned 13 already.
I know.
You fucking idiot.
I said it wasn't it in this month though.
Oh, giraffe.
Isn't this month May still?
It's giraffe.
Oh yeah, guys. If you see this video tomorrow, just tell me what yesterday was. Wait, no. Wait. Well, what month it was, so I know, and I'll tell you what age I am, and I'll tell you what age he is.
I'm a giraffe. Okay. Well, see you later, guys. This is gonna be the end of this video now. Peace out.